Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. My name is Renata and I'm going to be sharing with you my thoughts on some gifted fabric from Minerva as well as the Adrienne McCall's pattern. We will be reviewing this beautiful dress and fabric in the next section. If you are interested, I will see you over there. The fabric from Minerva is a beautiful cotton lawn. It is about 57 inches wide, 100% cotton, so there's no stretch. Beautiful drape, fantastic print, ditzy print, which is totally on trend at the moment. I love how this fabric sews. It was easy to stitch, there was no problem, there wasn't even any fraying or anything like that, so it is just one of the best fabrics that I have received and had to work with from Minerva. So I'm giving this like 5 out of 5 stars. Now let's take a look at the pattern. Now this pattern, I've spoke to you guys a few times. It has 3 variations, and I chose the variation that had the single extra layer. Now it fits beautifully. I made a size 12. I didn't have to do any adjustments to it. Everything came together nicely. The instructions were very straightforward, and again the fit was perfect. I was a little bit nervous, especially since this fabric has no stretch. You guys know that I love my fabric to have a little elastine just in case, you know, things a little tight. So I was really nervous, and I am always nervous to use 100% cotton or anything that has no stretch, because that is one of the things that just fills me up in my stomach and gets me like, oh my god, it's not gonna fit after all this work. I can't get it on. But this fit really nicely. The fabric and the pattern was just a beautiful marriage. I love how it came together. Now for those of you that have been watching my Friday sews, you guys know that I have been going back and forth about this, wanting to add an extra lace layer because I just didn't feel like it was balanced, and I had all intentions to add this lace layer to the neckline just to balance it off. But after doing the shoot, which is something that I did say, or I commented, I answered one of the comments and I said, you know, maybe I'll just do the video and see how it looks, and if I feel like I need to add the lace, I will, so it looks balanced. But after watching the video and the photos, I don't think I need to add anything to it. Let me know your thoughts. What do you guys think? But overall, the Adriana, I keep messing up that name, but this is the pattern. I think it worked out really well for my body size and my weight and my whole frame. I am 5'9" and I weigh roughly about 145 pounds. I'm pretty athletic, so I have a little muscle toning, and I think those are some things that you might want to know if you're looking at my videos and considering the fits, because I cut this a size 12 and everything worked out really well for me.
He was 16, holding her hand. They were wasting all the time they had. They were building big wonders they knew. Time stayed as long as they wanted, remained as much as they needed. The world flies around me with you. Won't you be mine forever? Stay here together, we can nurture each other. Find us another world to be. All the beauty we'll see. Won't you sing me a song and take me among the flowers? We'll grow, we'll conquer the world. These feelings will remain with me. She was 15, spinning in a daydream, waiting, counting and wishing for that ship to sail them away. Can't you see it's coming, shining in the distance, beaming, leaving all reason behind. Let's be here and stay. Let's stay here forever, be here together. We could nurture each other, find us another.
So there you have it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you guys coming, and have a wonderful day. Don't forget to click the subscribe button if you are new here, and like, share, comment, head over to Instagram and find me over there. Thank you again and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.